Hi and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-driven technology, exploring the realms of deepfake, text-to-image, and image-to-video creation. All videos on screen have been created using AI. This is a short tutorial whereby we are going to fuse 3 AI tools to get professional results. Kindly like and subscribe my channel for more such content before we proceed. Type ImageFX in Google and open the first link as shown on screen. Now describe the picture in the form of prompt as per your requirement. As an example, I will write a beautiful butterfly with big multicolor wings on a red rose. Better the prompt, better would be the results of AI image generation. Add photorealistic effect and click on generate. AI image processing would start and image would be generated shortly. You can see on the screen multiple AI-based images have been generated. Select the picture that you like and click the download button. Now go to Google again and type AI. Open the first link as shown on the screen. You will see an interface of this sort. Click on Upscale and Enhance. Upload the picture that you just created using ImageFX. After the image has been uploaded, click on Enhance and wait for AI to process. Your upscaled image is ready. Click on Download button to download the processed image. Now again go to Google and search Pixverse AI. Open the first link as shown on screen. Click on the web-based option available. You can see a number of AI-based videos are available on this website and are free to be used. Now click on Create button. Upload the upscaled image that you made previously and click on Create. AI image processing would start and you will get your video shortly. Once the video is ready, you can easily open and view the results. This video can also be downloaded for free. You can see on the screen, results are amazing. Here are the results of some videos that I have created by the fusion of these 3 AI tools. If you enjoyed, kindly like and subscribe my channel for more such content.